everyone, how can I cook the rice without rice cooker? I use the MicroSafe rice cooker. It's from Decro and it's easy to use. Just measure the rice. I use 2 cups of the rice cup and pour the 2 cups of the water and just put in the microwave and microwave for 17 minutes. So this is the rice, 2 cups of the rice with the water, and let's put in the microwave. So it's important to without the lid and close it. And 17 minutes and start. Hello, after 17 minutes and the rice is well cooked and it smells very good and the texture is really nice as well. So it's very easy to use the microwave to cook your rice.